In this episode of Geocaching Adventures, we're going to explore the quirkiness that is Oslo. We'll check out some art and architecture, we'll find some cool places, and of course, go geocaching. So secure your favorite yard arms and join us for another fun episode of LANMonkey's Geocaching Adventures. Oslo is the capital city of Norway and was originally founded in 1040 AD. It's situated at the northern end of the Oslo fjord, providing easy walking around the beautiful waterfront. And when walking the waterfront, there's always some monkey business to be gotten into.
And it's wet.
Just like that. See, no problem. Totally safe. What could possibly go wrong?
Where's the cache?
There are currently 7 virtual caches and 3 earth caches within easy walking distance of each other in the downtown area and all close to these fantastic hotels.
Hey guys, welcome to Norway. We are in Oslo. We're in the city center. We're at this super cool virtual. You got to check this out if you visit Oslo. It's our first cache here in Norway, so got our souvenir now, but more importantly, having a lot of fun with our caching friends on this trip. I'm going to show you this virtual. It's an art installation, and the idea is from here it looks like, you know, little patches of grass, and you notice everybody's sort of looking down and touching and playing with them. Well, let me show you why. You get really close. Hundreds of thousands of little statues of tiny little people made to look like grass. That is so cool. It's a little windy. We did the virtual cache and we're just walking through some beautiful little plazas here in Oslo. Hey guys, it's RCA77. He is once again on the sunny side of the street.
Keep on it. All the time.
So guys, some of the really cool places geocaching takes you. One of them is in an old warehouse that's been converted into a hip, cool restaurant. There's a geocache just outside, but really cool place in here. It's all old sea cans that have been converted into little restaurants. Neat.
Now, once the ladies bailed RCA777 out of geocacher jail, we went and found a little TB hotel cache.
Old book. Yeah. Oh, the TV's in this one. TB Hotel found. We're going to drop a few TBs off here. Have their adventures going on in Europe. These are a bunch we brought back from North America that needed to go to Europe. All right. Happy adventures.
Some further exploration along the waterfront of Oslo brought us to Akershus Fortress, a medieval castle built around 1290.
And inside the Akershus Fortress, there is an earth cache. So we're going to go check this out in here.
Check out the cannons!
Like Land Sharks said, check out the cannons.
Well, we found some spiders guarding a geocache outside an old rail tunnel and then made our way back to the hotel, but not before trying a little slackline.
Yay!
And make sure you join us for episode 4 when we explore more of Oslo in our geocaching adventures.